Okay, so we got the white Toyota fucking charged again. We're gonna take her out and go fucking spin through the mud and have some fun. I've had this thing charging for freaking 2 days now.
The truck you're talking?
Oh yeah, this thing. We'll go through the driveway. Fuck's trying to get down through there. So just make sure it looks out the windshield.
Try to keep it out the window.
Like that.
More comfy. Having visual problems. Dude, you were sideways coming through that whole section over there.
Yeah, because I'm only in two-wheel drive. Neutral.
Sorry, the camera's a little shaky.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
about a 4-wheel?
No, I'm in 4-wheel. I think I broke the front drive shaft.
What's that?
Yeah, I definitely broke something.
Oh yeah.
Nope, I'm stuck in the frame. So I think we broke the front end. Not sure if it's outer shafts, because we're definitely stuck in the frame. 4-wheel drive is not working. Not really sure. I mean, knuckles all looking tacked and everything. Rear wheels are working. You can see it. But, well, I guess that's where she's going to sit for tonight. So, front drive shaft spins, but we blew the front differential out on the truck. So we're kind of stuck here. So we had our fun with a stock Toyota front end. So I guess we got to upgrade this to 1 ton. Woohoo! That was a good night of playing in the mud. Alright, well, we grabbed Axel. He wanted to come play. So we're going to try to figure out if we pop the fuse in the front differential, because that's electronic and vacuum for the front end on the white Toyota. So, and right now we are hung up on the other truck frame, what is sitting here. So we're gonna pull the fuse panel in here and see what fuses it is, if it's that, and if not, then I'm pretty sure we fucked the front end up. So let me grab a tool and start pulling fuses to see if it's one of them. So we found a 15. She's popped, so we'll replace this one. I've got another 2 more rows to go through, so we'll see what else is popped, and hopefully maybe the 4-wheel drive will come back. Okay, so let's see if we can find one of these little ones in the shop. I think it's a 15. I'm not sure if I even have any of these little fuses, because they're not the full-size fuses. These are like the mini ones. If I got to go to the Ranger truck, well, take it out of the Ranger truck. I mean, we can take it out of the Toyota, but I need those right now. So let's see if I can find some what I have sitting over here. I might have one somewhere in here. Found a fuse panel. This is a extra panel for death race, so I got a 30 over here, and so I got some 10s. There's a 15. Take a 15 just in case. So we will see if one of these two will work. Axel's already jumped in the truck. He's ready to go. So let's put this 30 in, see if that fits. Let's see if that fixes the problem. I already checked all the fuses underneath the hood. None of them were popped. Okay, so we got the fuse in. Got the keys. 4-wheel drive low. See if she'll back out. Nope. So it's definitely not the fuse. So I guess we're gonna go grab the tractor and get it off the frame, what's sitting over here, what the front tire is stuck on, and we'll see if we can get her off. So I'm not sure if we fucked the wire off or something, but we're gonna go get the tractor. Axle's just a bouncy freaking kangaroo. So we did screw up the front end. That means we're gonna be putting, come on, focus, these 1-ton axles underneath the truck. So I'm gonna go grab the tractor and push it off the bumper that the front tire is stuck on. At least this old girl starts up for me almost every time. Good old freaking 1958 freaking Ford. She's an 851 industrial. So choke on, a little bit of throttle, step on the clutch. Every time she starts up. The 851 got the truck pushed out off the bumper. Axle's still a bouncy little freaking kangaroo. He's just a hyper freaking Australian Shepherd. So see if we can get the truck to back down the hill and then try to get back up in the driveway. So we're stuck right in here. We're a little too close to that. So we got her pushed back, so now we can coast down the hill. I'll go down in reverse. Come on, shithead. He loves going for rides. See if we can go forward first. make it very far. Maybe if we go the other way, like go that way first. So put her back in low. There we go. So 4-wheel drive is definitely not working in the truck. Try not to run over my sheet metal. I think we got water in the freaking motor again. She died. She died. Yep, she died. God freaking damn it. I hate when the truck dies, you know that? Sucks. In the middle of the road, of course. See if we can get her to coast down. Okay, we're gonna coast down the hill, so here we go. Alright, I needed 2 hands to get her back in back of the garage. Come on, Axel. So we made it back to that house. Alternator definitely needs to be changed because she definitely is killing the battery. Oh, she started back up. Look at that. She says freaking 14%, give or take. But she keeps freaking dying, like battery lights on. It's just so weird. I don't know, but the 4-wheel drive is definitely not working in this truck. Yep, it's just 2-wheel drive, you know, if it's in 4 low. put it back in neutral. We'll put it in 4 high. Yep. Still just freaking 2. Let's put her back where she belongs. So right now I don't understand why she's doing this. Just wants to freaking die on me. So obviously we got some stuff to replace. I know some of these hoses are bad. Radiator is warm, not too warm. She's idling fine. I know our power steering is leaking down there. Shouldn't be doing that, so we obviously have a freaking problem somewhere, so we're gonna have to go through this one of these days and pretty much check everything, because full air box, filter's completely dry. Maybe we need a mass airflow sensor. God knows what we freaking need with this thing right now. Maybe we need coils, maybe we need spark plugs. I don't know yet, so either way, I know we screwed up the front diff. I mean, between electronics and shit and the vacuums, so supposed to be a good mudding truck, but I seem to have some problems with her. So we'll go through it in the morning and shit and check everything. Switch is on, but I have no light, so what's that got to do with one of the grounds? Oh, it's coming on. Was that one of the fuses? Oh, that fuse is still good. Well, it ain't that. Like, I really don't know. We'll figure this thing out in the morning. At least we got it back up in the house. I know I'm in trouble with the freaking battery. See, she's starting to die. Look, she's almost down to freaking 2. Oh, look, the light comes back on. So, obviously, that's the problem is the battery and alternator. So we'll get the alternator changed out on this. That's definitely a problem with this thing. It's this freaking alternator. I mean, maybe that will fix half the problem after we change the alternator out, but that's not going to fix the front diff. I still don't know why the 4-wheel drive is not working in this. I mean, I know she's electronic and everything. If we get underneath here, oh, let's see, that's power steering. Here it is. So this thing's got a plug and vacuum for the controller. The lock this front differential in. Gotta fix the exhaust again because that came out. So I don't know if this servo let go. That one's good. That one's good. Well, I'm pretty sure it's just this piece what is not engaging this locker, what's here. Because this has that slide piece inside of it. Because I don't hear any gears rattling or grinding. I think this thing just is not engaging. It just let go, I think. We'll figure it out. So unfair. She was doing really good. Well, I guess until next time.